What's the meaning of blackamoor? Blackamoor. Blackamoor.
Blackamoor. Blackamoor. Blackamoor is a term used historically to refer to dark-skinned people, particularly those of African descent. It has been used in literature, art, and fashion to depict exoticized and racialized images of black people, often characterized by exaggerated features and subservience. The term has also been associated with slavery, imperialism, and colonialism, and is considered offensive and derogatory by many people today. Despite its problematic connotations, blackamoor continues to appear in some contemporary contexts, such as antique collecting and design. It is important to recognize and challenge the harmful histories and present-day implications of such language and representations.